What's the meaning of awesome? Awesome. Awesome.
Awesome. Awesome. The word awesome has two main meanings. Inspiring awe, this is the original meaning of the word, and it is still used in this sense today. When something is awesome in this sense, it is so impressive or powerful that it inspires a feeling of awe, or reverence. For example, you might say that a natural wonder like the Grand Canyon is awesome, or that a great leader like Martin Luther King Jr. was an awesome figure. Very good or impressive, this is the more common meaning of awesome today. It is often used in a slangy way to mean excellent or terrific. For example, you might say that your new car is awesome, or that your friend's new haircut is awesome. The word awesome can be used in both formal and informal settings. It is most commonly used in American English, but it is also becoming more common in other English-speaking countries.